No, 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 no. Jesus is Lord. He shock you.
Honey.
Hey guys, hi families. Welcome you all back to our channel. Guys, we are back again with another mukbang video. Guess what, guys? I said, guess what, guys? In today's video, we are going to be eating better tight spinach soup, which is also known as Eforiro, which is also known as vegetable soup with fufu assorted. How you are doing? Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. In case you are joining us for the first time, I go by the name there Small.
So baby get happy in the building.
You are early.
Welcome.
Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. What is delicious soup? Please pray for this food.
Lord, we thank you for providing this food for us to eat. We as well provide for us to eat. God provide for those who don't have to eat.
No,
Let it
no,
nourish
no,
our
no.
bodies, so our spirit, oh Lord. Let every video be
Jesus
Let every
is
member
Lord.
of the video be blessed in the mighty name of Jesus.
No, 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 no.
So guys, so come closer.
I was feeling the scent of the soup. Do you
That
come?
the soup very, very delicious.
Guys, first to finish, he did not even say it when he was introducing the food. We are eating speed eating challenge.
In case you are just hearing noise, they are walking upstairs.
Please,
So
guys,
ignore the noise.
with por favor.
Please just ignore that noise. Wow, what a delicious soup. My wife is always giving me the best of the best every day. That's why I can't eat outside. My friends will say, if you don't eat outside, why will I live with better tight soup like this and go and be eating outside? I'm going to be eating what I don't know.
They will carry you go where you don't know that.
I don't want to go and be eating what I don't know.
He shock you.
Honey, what happened?
What happened?
No, why are you laughing? No,
I don't know.
the laugh don't talk with you. What did happen? What did happen? Why are you laughing? What did make you don't naked this fish like this?
That fish is still very close.
It's still very close. I give you your own fish. I carry my own fish. Why you naked my own like this? You want me to use breast to trample for you?
You think say they wise?
Huh?
I beg you. Use the sit one.
I use breast to run there.
I beg you to one. Right, people. To one.
Honey, I don't like this thing. You are going to pay for me.
Continue.
Can somebody prank you?
No, this one I'm not going to carry as prank. Guys, happy team. I will not take this as prank.
Can
He's going to
somebody
pay for
prank
it.
you?
Hey,
But if you do the same to me, I will not even complain.
you complain. You complain one touch.
It's not a prank.
Pepper, why enter my eye? Oh, huh?
Sorry, oh.
Take.
What happened?
For you to know I'm pranking you,
Carry your own.
Okay.
Carry your own.
Carry the minute.
I don't know what you take rubber.
Okay, you're afraid.
Who see you not see danger for your face?
That means that one you want to eat now is a risk. Because I use something to zero up that one. Better just bring it now.
I'm not using anything, rub this one. That one, I may not trust them.
This soup is giving. It's giving everything.
Absolutely. Vegetable soup or stew. It's #1 for eating though. When you prepare it well.
Not everybody that know how to prepare it to. Even me that is talking.
Vegetable so you have to come more. Never can.
Some people cook this vegetable soup. This leaf will be so done that the leaf will be crying.
You run your kawa.
You don't know how to prepare it. It's not the letter too done.
Oh.
Because leaf don't have that strength to be that done all overcook.
Too much cook, you don't already spoil them. The new strength will now be out of it.
So you were literally having two fish. And look at what you even gave to me before.
Is it all fish?
70 years old
Say
man.
neutrally. What is neutrally?
Literally.
Rituals.
Say literally.
Which one is rituals?
Will you keep
You
quiet?
don't have to pronounce it. Go and call your baby girl. Come pronounce it.
So you were having two fish. Thank God I even cut from that one.
I say
You don't
thank
know too
God.
much. Like I knew I would just take the whole thing.
But is that one fish I give to you? Why are you not saying that one is not fish?
You can't compare this one to the tail.
What is the meaning of tail? You're supposed to be the tail.
Look at what you gave me.
Are you supposed to be the tail?
This one that
Or
is
you
close to
supposed to
the
be the head?
But this one is not the head now.
This is close to the head.
I don't want close to the head.
I did not give you the head, I gave you close to the head. You are the head of the ass. Eh? How will I go and give you tail? Then you can't be the tail of the ass.
Forget, I don't know about you. All those are just logic.
Not logic. I'm waiting to go on for the world.
Giving me tea or fish doesn't mean I'm the tail.
Take now, maybe not give the tail.
Okay, tea.
So you reject this one. Who like they reject them since? The time when you did that, you see this kind of food chop.
Over.
No, over, not there. Not see and chop.
Can't be like that. Things cheap.
Ah!
Not like this now.
Things, see, people are still suffering then. Okay? Poverty is still there. Poverty is still there. People still they suffer.
Or you don't know that I left Nigeria 20 years ago.
There is never a time there is no suffering in Africa.
I know. But not like as of today. Things are very worse now. You know?
This is no answer.
Exactly. And that's like Papa name.
Just
This
find out.
could enter brain.
No, don't go be too long.
So guys, let me clean this sweat first. Thank you all so much for staying with us up to this time.
Yup.
We are definitely going to be signing out right now.
Yup.
If it is your first time of coming across this channel, of joining us, do not hesitate to hit that subscribe button. Like and share our video.
And leave a positive comment.
Down below. And please like,
Subscribe.
share.
And leave a comment down below.
See you all in the next video. So we love you from the deep bottom of our heart. So bye.
Peace out.